Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to my channel UiPath RPA. In this video, we will cover what is UiPath Forms, how this can be used in the automation workflows, and we will demonstrate an invoice processing and approval use case where a manager approves invoices using a UiPath form. So this is video for a quick overview of UiPath Forms for beginners. And this is going to be a very interesting video on UiPath Forms. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how UiPath Forms can simplify business processes. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is UiPath Forms and why should you learn this? UiPath Forms is a feature or functionality available in UiPath Studio that allows us to create custom user-friendly forms. These forms are used to collect data from users or display information. It is especially suitable for attended automation, where the robot walks alongside a human and occasionally needs input or decision to proceed. So basically, UiPath form is a feature, a functionality you can say in UiPath Studio that lets you create interactive windows like small app or pop-up forms like that. You can say a Google Forms where a user can enter information, make decisions, or approve something during an automation processes. You can think UiPath form like a small form you might see on a website or app. With this, you can have a text field on the UI form to type something like your name, any other details. You will have buttons like submit, approve, reject, reset. You can have a drop down menus, checkboxes, date time pickers, and many more. UiPath forms allow you to design such forms directly in your automation workflows. You can see this form. You can create the form like this, where we have invoice approval form. Let me show you this quickly. In UiPath Studio, you can go to the new, click a form. You can create a new form. Let's create this. Left side we have component, where this is divided into four sections: basic, advanced, layout, and data. You will have multiple controls here. You just need to drag and drop to this area and you can design your form. Now, why do we need UiPath forms? Sometimes a robot, you can say your bot or automations that can't complete a task all by itself because it needs input or approval from a human. For example, if an invoice needs a manager's approval before being processed, if you need to ask a user for a specific details that is not available in the system, in such cases, UiPath Forms acts as a bridge between the robot and the user, providing a user-friendly way to gather information or make decisions. I will help you to understand this, but for that I have to take one example, one use case that is for invoice processing and approval. Now let me show you how UiPath Forms can be applied in a real-world scenario. In this use case, this scenario, automation starts and when a new invoice is received, both extract the details from the documents and populates the fields in the UiPath forms. Both extracts the invoice details such as invoice number, amount, and vendor information from the invoice, and then invoice amount and vendor information is then presented in a UiPath form that will be displayed in the UiPath forms to the manager for approval. Then manager reviews the details and submits the form. Board captures the responses, processes that approval or rejection, and update the system accordingly. If manager selected as approved, board might trigger a payment process or complete the invoice processing. If that is rejected, then board will notify to the vendor or it will request further details. Let me show you the demo of this process. Let's run this. So you can see here, we have this invoice approval form. So automation has already done everything in the behind, like it has, you know, taken all the invoices, added to the queue items, and started processing one by one queue items as an invoice, as a queue item, right? As a transaction. Now, let's say first transaction. It is showing here, please approve invoice. Invoice amount is $50,000 and vendor is this one. Now, manager has to take decision. Let's say this is $50,000. Manager thinks that okay, till 50,000 I can approve this one. So he can say approved and click on approve. Now based on this selection, automation will process further. Now let's say we have another one that is for rejection. Now let's say amount is different. Now it is more than $50,000. Manager decides to reject this one, and then it rejects here. Sorry, invoice rejected. And whatever the next step is mentioned in the code, that will be processed. So it will notify to the business that this invoice is rejected. So that was a quick overview of UiPath Forms. Thank you for watching. I hope you now have a better understanding of UiPath Forms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more UiPath videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.